New Volleyball Legends code. Season 6 is dropping. Season 6 is dropping. New codes. Don't miss out on any of these codes because Season 6 is dropping. Season 6 is dropping. Where is the Season 6 code? Let me actually find it. So, if I'm not mistaken, this is going to be the Season 6 code. It's not out yet, but when they actually add Season 6, it's going to be able to be redeemed. The next code is make age underscore goaded. Make age goaded. Lucky spins. Mikaj goated. Ronaldo 6'7", 24k gold. Labubu Dubai chocolate. 5 lucky spins. We have so many lucky spins. We need to get the secret ones. We actually need to get the secret ones. 1 Billy. 1 Billion. Billion. 1 Billion visits. 1 billion visits. This is the next code that you need to redeem. Don't miss out on any future codes. Redeem every single one of them. If you don't have Robux, comment a heart emoji. I'm doing Robux giveaways, so comment heart emoji if you don't have Robux. Update underscore 28. Update underscore 28. Redeem this one. Update underscore 29. Update underscore 29. This is the upcoming code for Season 6. Update 29. Okay, let's see. New underscore ability. New underscore ability. Rainbow blocker. Festival season. This can be a new code. Rainbow blocker. As well as festival. Festival update.